Hi guys, it's Sahasra. I'm from Blue Narwhal. Today I'm going to show you square number basics to do in just a few seconds. What is a square number? Definition of a square number: any number multiplied by itself. I'm going to show you some examples. 3 to be specific. Example 1. 4 times 4 equals 16. So that means that 16 is a square number. 4 and 4 are the same numbers. Example number 2. 6 times 6 equals 36. So 36 is also a square number. Example number 3. 8 times 8 equals 64. So 64 is a square number. Steps for finding a square number. It's actually very easy to find square numbers. Let's take 5 times 5 as an example. We know that 5 times 5 equals 25. How many 5s are there? 1, 2. There are 2 5s. Instead of writing this as 5 times 5 equals 25, we can write it as 5 power 2, or 5 squared, equals 25. Squared is often written as a little 2, which can also be said as power 2. The little 2 says the number appears twice in multiplication. So there are 2 5s here, so that's what the little 2 is telling us. 5 squared equals to 25. So 25 is the squared number of 5. I'm going to show you square numbers from 0 squared to 6 squared. First off, 0 squared. That means 0 times 0 equals 0. 0 is a square number here. Next, 1 squared. That means 1 times 1 equals 1. And 1 is a squared number here. Next, 2 squared. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 is a squared number. And then 3 squared. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 is a square number. Then we have 4 squared. And to get that, we do 4 times 4, and that equals 16. 16 is a square number. And then 5 squared. 5 times 5 equals 25. 25 is a square number. And last, 6 squared. 6 times 6 equals 36. And 36 is a square number here. That is really neat. If you memorize them up to 12, then you'll be great at these. Did you know we can also square negative numbers? Example, what happens when we square minus 5 power 2? Answer, minus 5 times minus 5 equals 25. That was so interesting. When we square a negative number, we get a positive result. Squaring a negative number is just the same thing as squaring a positive number. 5 times 5 equals 25. And minus 5 times minus 5 equals 25. See, it's the same answer. Isn't that cool? Every square number is a positive number. Even when you multiply negative numbers to find that result. That is really cool. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and practice this every day. Bye!